Welcome back to my video. So today, here's my own new team of cars. So I changed like my own. I really like this. I really like to change this to that. Okay, so here's my own cars. This is my own car, and I don't know where did I buy this. This is my other car, and it's and my brother bought it from 2021, I think. And another one. Oh, you cannot see this. There, right there. Here's this car. Ooh, and another, and here's this car. Here's my own car. Here's my old baby car. And finally, the golden car. It's so cool. I really like to have it. And you can't even have it. Sorry, but if I reach to like a lot of viewers, I'm going to make a part 2 of how I met a Karen or how I deal a Karen. So here's the next part. Here's the next part. This is my kineticsand, and you know that I make a video of how I make a castle made of kineticsand. Well, I have no tools. So here's this castle tool. It has like a door right here, but if you can't see it, I'll turn on the lights. Now you can see it. Here is the door. Here is my own shovel that I can dig, and it has some decorations I didn't use before, and a tomato. I really want to use this as a decoration. So let's go build a kineticsand. Okay, now let's go. Wait. Okay, now let's go build it. Okay, let's go build. So I need to go find somewhere to put my own camera. Just wait. Just wait. There. Now first, whoops. I accidentally dropped my camera. That's technical difficulties. Please stand by. Oh, this is the highest camera. Oh, there. Here's how we build a fix. Here's how we build a castle. Part 2. First, we need some sand. I already got some sand. Next, put it right here. Keep digging. All you have to do is repeat. But if it cannot go through, you need a tomato to squeeze it. Squeeze it. Once it's squeezed, next we have to keep digging. Okay, there's some hair in my kineticsand. That's too weird, right? It couldn't be my cat. My cat's hair is just like. So I'm going to get a video of my cats soon, okay? So let's keep doing the kineticsand castle. Now we have to keep digging. Keep digging more, but if you accidentally fall, then get it again. Next, put it to the 4 sides. So keep pushing it. And also guys, thank you for a lot of viewers from You Never Walk Alone by Trey Calvin. Thank you. That was my own video that I made. Thank you for watching my own videos. I'm really happy, and my dad's really happy too. Okay. Now we have to do is keep digging, but if you can't see it, I'll do is just go make it closer here. But if it's out of the can, you must like do it like this so you can put it back. Next, we do is just get the part. Also, there's some technical difficulties from there's some zombies next. How I deal with Karen. That was my dad's snores. Now we have to keep digging. Next, we have to keep digging. Also, we have to keep adding more kineticsand. Make sure that I add more kineticsand. Okay. So if you guys have a splinter, you should watch 5 minutes craft. Gosh. Also, it's going to be my dad's birthday soon, and it's only 6 days left until my dad's birthday. You must like make some videos for my dad's birthday, okay? Cause my dad treat me good. My daddy does hug me, kiss me, and do everything, and make me sleep. Massage my head too to make me sleep. Cause when I was a baby, my daddy massaged my head, okay? And my annoying sister was always annoying. So we have to keep. My brother's sleeping and he's right over there in the bed. So once we're done with this, we go make the kineticsand smooth with your hands. Okay? Just look right closely. Okay, just keep doing it. Okay. Now place the castle. Give him a little tap. Now keep doing a little tap. My mom and dad are talking.
Oh!
Guys, I'm making a video.
Sorry.
Please.
I heard that you said that your dad loves you so much.
Yes. And I asked my viewers that they're going to say happy birthday, Trey's dad. Okay. Once we're done, we go put this out, and now we make a castle. But if it's so boring, add decorations. Okay? Add some decorations like your toys. Make sure that's not close to the kineticsand. If it's like on top of the castle, when you squish it too hard, it's going to be ruined. So you have to just like put it somewhere else. Now you have to keep adding more decorations though. Okay. And And also, here's my brother's kineticsand. My brother's kineticsand. Okay. Now, once we're done, we put the tools back. Next, we do is close. Now close the kineticsand, and that's all. Also, Mom, can you please be quiet? I'm making a video.
Yeah, my favorite soccer.
Now, for that, we go push it and wait until. But if your hands are dirty, you should add alcohol. So my hands are dirty, so wait. So like and subscribe, and also please. And also my yacht is super annoying. So bye.